Morning, welcome to the Isle of Wight, and today I'm going to show you around Southland Caravan and Motorhome Club sites. Southlands Caravan and Motorhome Club site is situated on the eastern side of the Isle of Wight. And let's take a closer look at the drive-in. There are some surrounding roads that are a bit tight, but you should be able to find passing places. Just take care if you have a bigger caravan or a motorhome. And the campground itself is easy to turn into, and as with all caravan and motorhome club sites, it is clear where you should park to check in. Let's take a look around the campground itself. And there is no need to worry about key cards, as once you have checked in either on the day or beforehand, the number plate recognition system opens the barrier automatically. And we are going to drive around the site today. Here on the right is the dishwashing and laundry block, and on the left the shower block. More on that in a moment. This side of the park is mainly grass pitches. On the left here, just after the speed bump, is the entrance to the play areas and the dog walk area. Again, we will look at these in a bit more detail in a moment. And this side of the campground is the hard standing area. Very neat, very tidy, and lots of spacious pitches available. Now let's take a look at the shower block. Just the one shower block at this site, and it is typical of most caravan and motorhome club sites. Clean and functional. The shower cubicles have plenty of hooks and a small seat or a shelf. And the water was hot with good pressure, and it had proper taps, which is always preferred over the push button style we have seen elsewhere. The dishwashing and laundry block is just opposite, and we're going to check out the dishwashing area first. Again, nothing fancy, but perfectly adequate and functional. And this is the laundry area, which we didn't use, although it looks pretty decent, and again, has everything you need. Next up we have the motorhome service point with its drainage and water points. The bin areas had water points and were nice and tidy. And if you have a chemical toilet, then the outdoor waste disposal area was, yes, you guessed it, neat and tidy as well. They also have a place for you to pour your unused fresh water, so they can use this to water plants, for example. So that is a good way to save and reuse water. And here is the access to the play area and the dog walking facility. The play area is large with a good variety of equipment. And there is also an area for other games too. This bunny currently enjoying the early morning peace and quiet. And of course there is a place where you can let your four-legged friend off the lead to get their exercise too. Other areas around the campground include a picnic area with a giant Connect 4 game to play. There is an attractive reception area with a small shop inside for all your essentials. Out by the play area there are places to walk and to enjoy the views. And don't forget to be on the lookout for the local wildlife. And this morning they were far too quick for my camera skills. The Isle of Wight is not a big island, so there is always lots to do nearby. There will be videos on my channel about Monkey Haven Rescue Centre, Shankling Chine, Ride, and the main attraction on the island, the Needles, plus lots more. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, tick that notification bell, and the videos on this and lots more will be coming up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review of Southlands Caravan and Motorhome Club sites, and we'll see you in the next video.